Hi friends, let's make a microphone icon. So here we are in Figma. I'm going to delete those to begin with a 24 pixel by 24 pixel grid. Start by pressing the R key to bring up the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle that is 6 by 12. I am going to set this to a black fill. We are going to round off the corners. So I can set those corners to a value of 6 and it'll make a perfect pill shape. Press Shift X to swap the fill and the stroke, and you'll note that the line is on the inside of that stroke. Press the O key to draw out a circle. I'm going to make this circle a stroke. So I'm pressing Shift X. Let's set that to black. The arc tool is this little dot that you see here on that shape. Let's draw that all the way over and select this middle point called the ratio and drag that all the way to the edge. So once again, this is a stroke, not a fill. We're going to move this on up. So this is 10 by 10. However, we do want our stroke to be set to the center based off of what we are going to be doing in just a moment here. You'll notice that it doesn't quite match up. So let's set our values to 9 by 9. Now, one thing you may note if you have snap to pixels turned on is that you won't see this snap. However, I'm going to use my nudge settings. So Command P or Control P on Windows, type in nudge amount, and I want my small nudge to be 0.5. Here I can now move this with my small nudge to be perfectly sensor aligned with the microphone that we have above. And you can see that sensor point right there. Now we have a nice 1 pixel perfect area there. I am going to double click on this line, select this topmost point here, press the P key, and have a bit more just brought up. So I'm going to bring this up just to that halfway point. Let's press the P key again. If it's still connecting to your previous point, press the escape key. I'm going to press that P key once more, bring this up to that point. This is where we want those to align because I am going to be rounding out those corners momentarily. Let's add a point to this center and bring this all the way down. We're going to bring this down to just before our margins at that half point. We're going to extend it all the way to the left using the alignment of our microphone stand here. Let's press escape, click another point, use that alignment, and there we go. Let's press the escape key to lose the connection to the pen tool, and now we can click done to escape out of that. You'll notice that the edges here are flat. We're going to select this object and choose instead for those endpoints to be rounded. So now that they are rounded, you will notice that they come up just to that edge. So this is looking great. I'm going to go ahead, hold down the Option key, Alt key on Windows, make a duplicate. Let's select our microphone head right here and press Shift X. So now we both have the outlined and the filled version of the microphone icon. Let me know if that was helpful. Feel free to leave questions in the comments. And as always, happy designing.